Hi guys, it's MattiAce, and in today's video I want to show you real quick here how you can vote on the Jupiter DAO. And what you need to do is first you need to have a little bit of Jup in your wallet. What you need to do for that, you need to go to Jup.ag, and if you don't trust a streamer, YouTuber such as myself, then which you shouldn't, you just go to solana.com. Very easy to find, solana.com. You go to solutions, you click down here at ecosystem, and here you get to type in whatever you're looking for, which in this case is Jupiter. So you just type Jup and you will find the Jupiter aggregator. That's where you're going, and if you click on this one, just follow that, you're gonna end up here. Now of course you might have some other pre-selected tokens here, that's possible, but yeah, whatever you want to swap to Jupiter, if you have some USDT or USDC or whatever, you can do so. And then you want to navigate to governance. This is where some people get thrown off. So you have to hold your mouse arrow here on, right now it's a little cat with heart eyes, and it has tendency to change it a bit, but you just hold your mouse arrow over here and you click on governance. Now on governance, you have to reconnect your wallet again. You stake your Jupiter here, or your Jup, and you got to keep in mind, unstaking takes 30 days, but I don't plan on removing that anytime soon because there's going to be a lot of voting happening in the future, and all of those votes is going to be rewarding for you. That's also going to reward you with Jupiter as staking rewards. Now the 17th of April is when the second vote for the Launchpad happens, and this is the result of the first Launchpad. Now I vote for Uprock. I did last time as well, and even though Zeus actually won, congratulations to the Zeus team for that, I actually was rewarded with some Zeus despite voting for Uprock. So you definitely just have to vote. And yeah, I actually think that Zeus is a fantastic project as well. Now, the main reason why I'm so bullish on Uprock is because, well, there's many reasons, but the reason why I bring it up for you guys is that I'm very invested in cryptocurrency myself, but I don't want to give that kind of advice where I encourage you guys to spend thousands or tens of thousands of dollars into a project if you don't know what you're doing. But the great thing about Uprock is that you can get into cryptocurrency with a project such as Uprock without taking any risk, without risking losing any money. And I'm also trying my best to collect as many referral points as possible. So if you want to use my referral link down in the description, thank you very much. Hoping to reach those 1,000 points one of these days. Seems a bit distant right now, but yeah, that's how you vote anyway. So yeah, hope you find this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.